While you were sleeping, a $20 subscription learned to do your entire job. It doesn't take weekends, it doesn't need dental, it has never once cried in a stand-up. And congratulations, you spent 6 years mastering every layer. Front-end, back-end, database deploy. A chatbot picked it up over lunch. HR just hasn't sent the memo. See, the startups did the math, it wasn't close. One human who knows everything costs 200 grand a year. The everything itself now costs 20 bucks. That's less than the gym membership you're also not using. And look at this glue code. This right here was 80% of the job. An agent ships it before your coffee's done brewing. The AI didn't steal your job, by the way. It just made your manager start asking uncomfortable questions. Because the boring middle is now free. And awkward, you were the boring middle. They're calling it productivity gains, which is corporate for a pink slip with extra steps. The glue was the job, and agents don't get bored, they don't burn out. None of them have unionized. So far, AI eats the CRUD, the config, the wiring. What it can't eat is judgment. Yet, so the market split in two. No bridge. Turns out full stack mostly meant opening a lot of browser tabs. And breadth is now a drop-down menu. On one side, deep specialists, systems, ML, security, the wizards. On the other, product orchestrators, the generals. The mushy middle got squeezed out like weak old toothpaste. Full stack used to mean capable, now it means owner of nothing. Here's the value curve, do not be the red dot. O and juniors get boiled first. The boring tickets that trained every senior you've ever met. Gone, no boring work, no on-ramp. The ladder just lost its bottom rung. And your promotion wasn't canceled. The job description just evolved without asking, but plot twist. The survivor isn't full stack, it's full product. One dev running agents like a team of 10 that never sleeps. Ship the whole billing flow, live in 6 minutes, terrifying, kind of beautiful, taste, judgment, system design. That's the moat now. Building is cheap now, deciding is expensive. So stop being the glue, be the architect. The title is dying, the mind isn't. I'll see you in the next one.